why do you love to run?
A good game, a good game.
At first, I tell her it make me sad. First time I usually cry, just looking at him, I usually cry and stuff. And I say, Mommy, what you cry for? So I'm born, you know. So now it's coming like nothing to me, coming like I don't even have a special child.
Kirkwind has been diagnosed with cerebral palsy, which impacted the formation of his lower limbs. Cerebral palsy is caused by damage to the brain, which impacts muscle tone, movement, motor skills, and oftentimes sight, speech, and learning. Kirk, however, has not allowed this condition to define who he is.
Kirk is twin. Yes, he is, girl and boy. So Kirk born half-hour from Kirkalley. So growing up, there I see difficult and stuff, but people always say nothing is wrong with him because his girl and boy say normally slow. But anyway, I go back at Spanish Town and I meet the doctor and she said, Kirk born breech. I said, what is breech? And she said, born footway, which I know him born half-hour, the girl. So from there, you know, just monitor him and stuff and so, but Kirk is very active. Cannot walk, but active and climb every tree. That's him grill, him that. I always teach him stuff and him always can learn, him easy remember things. And okay, but I realize him now walk, do all sort of things. Do surgery, I remember when it cost so long, but I never get to buy the brace at the time, so it really like set him back then and stuff.
Without the brace, Kirk's condition could not have been rectified, and as such, he was never able to walk on his legs. Still not deterred by this setback, Kirk went on to make a name for himself by representing Jamaica twice at the Special Olympic Games, earning himself a total of 3 medals.
I'm going to license school now, go there and hear about Special Olympic and they carry him because they come there and interview them and stuff and they see where him can, you know. So I always carry my son and so now I'm great to go on to the Special Olympic. Film specialty, you know, is run pan him on a softball show him do. That's a film sports softball show. So you know, up here so have everything.
Kirk Wint is one of 2 physically challenged students at the License Center of Excellence. He loves sports, and so he had the opportunity once again to represent Jamaica in the Special Games. And so he went to Dubai in February, where he participated in the 50-meter dash. Yes, and he got a silver, and he participated in a softball throw, where he earned himself a bronze medal. We are proud of all our students, and we're even more so proud of Kirk Wint. Our motto here is adding value. And so Kirk is treated like a normal child. He gets to participate in any activity he wants to. There are times when he wants to be the gate man, and he will be out there opening the gate and he will be assisting them, telling them, shuffle in the bus, go over there. So Kirk is just normal. He's included, he's involved, and he is good.
And why do you love to come to school?
To learn. Take my education.
And what else you do at school?
Play football.
Kirk is an easy student to teach. He's very attuned to things around him. He's amiable and he fits in very well. There's nothing that he thinks he cannot do. So therefore, his impairment doesn't pose a problem with anything at all. He's just integral in the learning process, and that makes it easy to teach him.
Normally when he wasn't like this old, because he's 17 now, he would hold on and walk around. Now, he rather run around the house. That him can run around the house and reach far. Run outside, that for him. But him have him walker. Him have the power chair and have him walker. But he's not a walker man, he rather run for it and he reach quicker. Yeah man, but you know, bathroom, everything, Kirk can do everything for himself, just not him not walking. Everything, him bathe himself, everything at him that. Ready to school, everything. But me not make him go like the fireside, you know. Kirk help me. Kirk greater me coconut. Anything for greater him that. Sometimes I say me do it. That's why I not like do nothing for you no more me. That's why everything. Yeah man. Sweep out in room, spread up in bed at him that.
They say it takes a village to raise a child. Kirk's village expands beyond these three wonderful women. And with their help, it is safe to say the best of Kirk is yet to be seen.
So what do you want to be when you grow up?
Tyler.
My wish right now, tell you the truth, I was always hope and pray that one day I would see him walking to me, but I don't know if it's possible, tell you the truth, because he gets older now. So, but I just accept him as it is, and I just hope and pray that things that he need, him really will get it, because him always want a lot of stuff, and you know, those children what they need, see him having phone there, you know. Yeah man, I just always want him to be comfortable. Yeah, I always try my best with him.
What you want to tell mommy?
I love you much.